Have you ever spent hours trying to troubleshoot a VLOOKUP error in Google Sheets, only to realize it's a preventable mistake? As a data analyst, I've seen it time and time again. The VLOOKUP function can be a game changer for data retrieval, but it's also a recipe for disaster if not used correctly. When used incorrectly, VLOOKUP can lead to hashtag n/a errors, incorrect data, or even corruption of your entire spreadsheet. Today, we're going to dive into the top 5 common errors when using VLOOKUP in Google Sheets and how to avoid them in 2026. Error number 1, incorrect lookup range. When using VLOOKUP, it's essential to get the lookup range right. Make sure the range contains the exact data you're looking for, and the column headers match the ones in your table. A simple mistake here can lead to hashtag n/a errors. For example, if your data is in columns A and B, but you're trying to retrieve data from column C, you'll get an error. Let's say